Alright, so this is still the 14 by 10. Last time the camera moved, so we couldn't get a good reading for full throttle. We're going to do 50% throttle and full throttle.
It's like double tape on camera right
Let's hide.
Run away! Did you get a picture of the rig?
I will.
Okay.
Cool.
Because you gotta get it like this with the weights.
I saw a spark and then the prop came off.
And it broke.
What broke? The motor's fine.
Prop went through that.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, dude, the connection isn't... Look at this. Oh, my God. Okay, hold up, hold up. This has got to go on video. Wow. Yes, it could have. Okay, so... Let's get more light. Let's see. So, prop came off. There was a spark from the shaft.
Oh, prop's
and
done.
the yeah, prop's done, and the connection right here, this thing is done too. It's all worn out. I hope the now we need a new one of these. I hope the motor's fine. Well, the motor was running, so it looks like we're capped out at 13.
We can do a 14. We just gotta we gotta use this thing better.
Yeah, it didn't come off.